Understanding game accessibility mods. Mods, or modifications, are user-created content that alters or enhances a game. When used to improve accessibility, mods make games more inclusive by catering to players with various disabilities. These mods can modify in-game elements like visual, auditory, or control settings to ensure a more accessible gaming experience for everyone, regardless of physical or cognitive limitations. Improving visual accessibility with mods. Mods designed for visual accessibility can help players with visual impairments. These may include high-contrast color schemes, larger text, or customizable UI elements. Some mods also offer colorblind modes or adjust the brightness of specific in-game environments, making it easier for players with different types of visual impairments to navigate and enjoy the game. Enhancing audio accessibility in games. Mods can enhance audio accessibility by adding visual cues for sound effects or offering subtitle and caption adjustments. For players who are deaf or hard of hearing, these mods allow them to follow along with in-game audio cues, such as footsteps or environmental sounds, through visual representations, ensuring they don't miss critical gameplay information. Customizing controls for diverse abilities. Control mods can provide customizable input options for players with physical disabilities. These mods allow players to remap keys, adjust sensitivity, or enable auto-fire features, making it easier to play with alternative input devices like adaptive controllers or keyboard, mouse setups. This ensures that games are more inclusive to players with limited dexterity or mobility challenges. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text mods. For players with reading or typing difficulties, text-to-speech mods can read out in-game text, menus, or dialogue, enabling a more immersive experience without the need for constant reading. Conversely, speech-to-text mods allow players to interact with games using voice commands, aiding those who have difficulty typing or using a traditional controller. Increasing game speed and difficulty adjustments. Mods can help players adjust the game's pace and difficulty, offering tailored experiences for those who find fast-paced games overwhelming. Slowing down gameplay speed or adding difficulty adjustments can provide a more manageable challenge for players with cognitive impairments or those who need more time to process in-game actions and decisions. Adaptive difficulty mods for cognitive accessibility. Cognitive accessibility mods aim to simplify complex game mechanics for players with cognitive challenges, such as ADHD, dyslexia, or autism. These mods might reduce the complexity of puzzles, offer hints, or break down tasks into smaller steps, making the game more approachable and less stressful for players who need additional support. Implementing UI and HUD enhancements. Mods can also improve accessibility by redesigning user interfaces, UI, and heads-up displays, HUD. Customizable HUD mods allow players to resize, reposition, or simplify on-screen elements, helping players who struggle with cluttered or complex interfaces. These modifications can ensure that critical information is easily visible and accessible. Collaborating with developers for accessibility features. While mods are a great way for the community to enhance game accessibility, collaboration between modders and developers can bring permanent changes. By working together, modders can help developers understand the accessibility needs of players, potentially leading to the integration of accessibility features into the base game, benefiting all players. The future of mods in game accessibility. The role of mods in improving game accessibility is becoming increasingly important as the gaming industry embraces inclusivity. As more players demand accessible features, the modding community will continue to innovate and provide creative solutions for diverse needs. With the support of developers and the gaming community, accessibility mods will help make gaming a more inclusive and enjoyable experience for everyone.